Hi, my name is Kay. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you are already a part of my crew, welcome back. Today we are making a yummy noodle recipe. This one's pretty easy and healthy too. It's got noodles, it's got spices, and veggies. Oh my! Come on, let's get started. Okay, first step, grab a pot of water, and we're going to prepare the noodles according to the directions on the package. We are using whole wheat noodles. On the packaging it says to add 5 quarts of water, add about a half a teaspoon of salt. When the water comes to a full boil, then you add the pasta. So we're going to do that. Grab a medium bowl. We're going to set that aside. Grab the pork. We're going to cut this pork into strips. Perfect. I cut my strips about 2.5 to 3 inches long. Now we're going to add it to the bowl. Next, we're going to add the garlic. And now we're going to add the ginger. Let's check on our noodles. Noodles are done. Let's drain the water and set them aside so they can cool. While you are finishing up the items in the bowl, off to the side, heat up some oil in a pan, and then continue. Now next, we're going to grab our red sweet pepper, and we're going to cut it into strips as well. Don't forget to remove the seeds on the inside. After you're done cutting them into strips, just add them to the bowl. After you have that in there, just mix it around a little bit. Now we're going to make our way over to the frying pan. Okay, looks like the oil is ready. Here's a quick tip. The easiest way to determine if your oil is hot enough, grab a little bit of water, drop it in the pan, see how it's bubbling? That's how you know it's ready. Well, we're going to add the pork and pepper mix. We're going to cook and stir this mixture for about 4 minutes. We have some green onions and about a cup of snow peas. We are going to cut these up. After we're done with that, now let's go back over to the pan and see how things are going. And let's add these ingredients. Oh, this smells so good. Let's add the green onions and the snow peas. For about 2 minutes. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's add that 1/4 canned cream of coconut, about a 1/4 cup to the mix. Next, let's add 3 tablespoons, about 3 tablespoons of lime juice. 1 tablespoon of water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir it around a little bit. Hey, remember those noodles we made like a long time ago, like in the beginning? Yeah, we're gonna add those right now. Let's add the noodles. And just stir everything around. You guys, I wish you all could smell this. It smells so good. So good. Oh, yum. Last step, grab your favorite noodle bowl. And enjoy. I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to try it. All right, let's try it. Oh, that's good. So good. Yum, yum, yum. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of my videos and you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. If you have any questions, comments, or requests, leave them down below. And I'll see you guys next time. All right, cooking and kisses. Bye.